Now we're going to talk about how a law is born, just what we've been working on the last week. A bill can either be introduced into the House of Representatives or the Senate, and that can go vice versa. In our class, most of our students decided to become representatives, so that's where our bill often started. However, it can also have been introduced by senators. After it is passed in one part of the Congress, it needs to be passed by the other. So if it's introduced in the House of Representatives and it is passed, it then needs to go to the Senate. If it starts in the Senate and it gets passed, then it needs to go to the House of Representatives. After the bill passes through Congress, which is missing an S, it is brought to the president. The president can do two things. He can either veto, which is not accept it, or he can ratify, which means to approve the bill. If your bill passes, it becomes a law. Now, if the president vetoes it, so it got the approval of both the House and the Senate, and the president vetoes it, it does not mean it is done. If our president had the choice of being like that, he would be a dictator and be able to make all the decisions without the representatives or Senate having much say. So if it gets vetoed, it goes back to Congress, which means back to the House of Representatives and Senate. And if it gets 2/3 the vote, which is 67%, it will become a law without the president's approval.